There are plans to adopt a national policy on the ban of single-use of plastics. That's according to Lagos State Environment Minister Mohammad Abubakar, who made this known during a visit to Lekki Conservation Center. He says the government has also built plastic recycling plants, and the waste generated from plastics are now being used for road construction. Well, that's according to the Commissioner. Esther Omopariola reports.
Environment Minister and his delegation on arrival at the Lekki Conservation Center. They took a tour of the forest reserve, which is home to some of nature's wild endangered species. His visit was to set a tone on the government's continued drive to addressing the environmental challenges affecting the country. According to the minister, Nigeria has achieved a significant reduction of carbon emissions by 20%, which it pledged in the Paris Agreement, and has increased its forest cover by about 6%, while adopting sustainable solutions to surpass the United Nations benchmark of 25%.
The global pandemic brought to the fore many things, and although it is seen as a significant disaster, both in terms of loss of lives, poor health, and the declining economies, it also brought out the need for people all over the world to appreciate nature and family.
Mr. President, back in 2019, at the 74th UNGA, he pledged to plant 25 million trees. The Federal Ministry of Environment is saddled with that responsibility, and we are doing it. In addition, to do that also will mean to fight the climate change by the time we increase the number of forest cover in our country, and also to be able to achieve our nationally determined contribution, which we signed under the Paris Agreement.
On the cleanup of oil spills in the Niger Delta, he says 7 sites have been certified hydrocarbon pollutant-free, and there is a laid-down master plan to ensure an effective completion of the project. He also said single-use plastics will be banned, while the recycled plastics will be used for infrastructural development.
We are building, and we have built, a number of plastic recycling plants that will take used plastic, wash, clean up, melt, produce all kinds of things. I will give you an example. We produce pellet in one of these, and those pellets can be used to make interlocks, just like that. And these interlocks will last many, many more years than the ordinary interlock.
The true test of these initiatives, though laudable, lies in sustaining these solutions, which is all aimed in preserving and protecting this planet for future generations. Esther Omopariola, TVC News, Lagos.